Welcome back everyone, and this is not my normal sort of video, but it's very rare that we actually say when things go really well and you get surprised by things. So this is a good news story. This is, yeah, it is. Now, it's all about Peak Design, and Peak Design have been around for quite a while now actually, but they made this beautiful bag years ago, the Everyday Carry V1. And this was the 20 litre, and it was perfect, absolutely perfect. Still is to this day, and it was brilliant, but it didn't fit my new 16-inch MacBook. So I upgraded from the 13, which this was perfect for, and it didn't really fit in here. So I had to get rid of this. Now, I still use it as an everyday sort of street photography bag, but I can't use it as my daily driver. So I went and bought this, the V2 30 litre, and I bought it from a show when I went to one of the shows, and I saw it and I bought it, and pretty much the next day I noticed that this flap didn't sit right. It was sort of machined and manufactured out of kilt. It's over to the one side, and it annoyed me because the clasp I had to keep bringing the clasp over to get it to lock into place. And it just really annoyed me. And I lived with it, and I kept moaning about it and living with it. And it's probably only recently, since I've had loads of other camera bags that I've been doing reviews on and upgraded to and everything else, that as this is my daily driver, I just couldn't put up with it any longer. And it's been about 8 months. So I decided to reach out to Peak Design and just see if there's anything I could have done. I should have returned it straight away once I had it and realised there was a problem, but I didn't. Peak Design do offer a lifetime warranty on their stuff, but you know, I wasn't really expecting great deals. And I was sort of giving them grief in my head without actually contacting them. I contacted them, they were great. They said, send me a video of the problem. I did a video of the problem into there, and there's a little bit of back and forth onto that as I explained what the issue was, and they just went, yeah, no problem at all, we'll send you a brand new bag. And that's exactly what they did. They sent me a brand new bag because of the manufacturing default in it. No hassle. I know things are under warranty, but I don't know whether it's just me, I just put up with stuff. But reaching out to them, they just took care of it all. Put a brand new bag. They said they don't have a cycle policy for their bags. They said donate it somewhere. Just bear in mind that when you donate it, it's been used in warranty, so that warranty is no longer valid on that item, which is fair enough. So I think someone back in the office is going to be enjoying a Peak Design bag. We're going to convert them over, which is quite nice. But yeah, to get a brand new bag out of that, that's now perfect, sits beautifully. It's back to what I would expect from Peak Design. It just makes you feel good in the world when little things like that turn out to be really easy. It's just so simple. And I thought it was worth a shout out to say how good it was, because we don't do that enough. We don't say how good things are. When people go above and beyond what you expect. Yeah, well done, Peak Design. Thank you very much. So this is just a short video of that. What companies have you had dealings with that have gone above and beyond? Put them in the comments down below. Let's shout them out. Let's give them some kudos, because I think they deserve it. See you on the next one.